We are monitoring the trial for WNBA star Brittney Griner, who's back in a Russian courtroom this morning.
Despite a guilty plea on drug possession charges, the trial could continue for weeks. Our Brittney Jeffers joining us with the latest details. Brittney?
Yes, we do have an update. Within the hour, we have learned that hearing ended this morning without a verdict. Now, this means, according to U.S. officials, that Griner will be back in court for another hearing tomorrow morning. So today, as you mentioned, marked the third court hearing for Griner in just 3 weeks. And wearing a green shirt, that two-time U.S. Olympic basketball gold medalist and Houston native Brittney Griner returned to that courtroom this morning. This was 1 week after pleading guilty to drug charges. The Nimitz graduate and WNBA star was arrested back in February at a Moscow airport. Russian authorities claimed that she had cannabis oil in her luggage. The U.S. State Department, however, has classified Griner as wrongfully detained. Now, Griner, as I mentioned, pleaded guilty in that last hearing, but told the court that she had not intended to commit a crime. Now, something that's important to note here is that in Russia, a guilty plea does not mean that the trial is over. Instead, Griner's legal team was expected to present character witnesses today, as well as request leniency since the athlete faces up to 10 years in prison. Now, since her arrest, as we have reported, athletes all around the country, as well as politicians and coaches, have called for her release over fears that she was being used as a political pawn amid the war in Ukraine. Now, again, we've just learned that hearing today, no verdict has been reached, which means that she will be back in court for another hearing tomorrow morning. We will continue to follow this closely. Reporting live, I'm Brittney Jeffers, KPRC 2 News.
Brittney, thank you.